Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, today in maths, we are going to do long division. So, children, you can open page number 84 and we will be doing self practice 1E from question number 11 to 16. So, children, can you see in the picture there are two numbers, number 7 and 49. Now, children, 7 we call it as divisor because it is the number by which we have to divide. Okay, and 49 is called the dividend. Why? Because it is the number which has to be divided. Dividend means जिसको divide करना है. Okay, and divisor means with which it has to be divided. So children, always remember that the big number will come inside and the small number will be outside. Clear, children? So are you clear about dividend and divisor? Okay, children. So we are going to start with the first question, that is question number 11. 49 divided by 7. So what we have to divide? 49 by 7. So 49 we will write it inside and 7 we will write it outside. Okay. Now children, which table we have to say? Table of 7. So let's begin. You can repeat after me. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. So children, we have to say the table of 7 till 49. Yes. So where does 49 comes? In 7 sevens are. So we will write 7 sevens are 49. And children, always remember the number should come below each other. Like below 9 there should come 9, below 4 there should come 4. Okay, so you will write and then you are going to put a minus sign. Okay children, what we are going to put? Minus sign. Now children, 49 minus 49, what will come? Yes. So when we will minus 49 from 49, the answer will be 0. Okay children, so you are going to write in your copies like this. Okay, when you are doing the sums in your books, in your maths book, you will write the sum like this. Clear children? 7 sevens are 49 and then you will put one minus sign and then 0. Clear children? Now come to the next question. Now number 12 is 81 divided by 9. Okay, so children, the big number will come inside. Always remember, the big number will come inside and the smaller number will come outside. Okay, so 81 divided by 9. So which table we have to say? Table of 9. Okay, so shall we start with table of 9? 9 ones are 9. You can repeat after me children. 9 twos are 18. And remember, we have to say the table of 9 till 81. Clear children? When 81 comes, we will stop. So 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. Now children, where does 81 comes? 9 nines are, right? So how we will write? 9 and on top what we are going to write? 9. So 9 nines are 81. Okay children, and now what is the next step? We will put minus sign like this. Okay, and then you will put two lines, one here and one here. Okay, and then we will minus. So 81 minus 81 equals to, yes, 0. Clear, children? So you are going to write in this way. Understood? Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay, children, now we are going to start with next question. Okay, now the next question is 40 divided by 4. Okay, so what we have to divide 40 by which table? 4. So we will say the table of 4 till 40 comes. Okay, children, till 40 comes we will say the table of 4. So let's begin and you can repeat after me. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So when does 40 comes in tens? Yes, 4 tens are. So what you will write on top? 10. So 4 tens are, yes, 40. And now what is the next step? We will put which sign? Yes, minus sign. And then the next step is we will put two lines. One line here and the other line here. And now we will subtract. Okay, so 40 minus 40 equals to 0. Okay, so children, did you understand? Now come to the next question. Number 14. So next one is 56 divided by 8. So we will say the table of 8 till 56 comes. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. So where does 56 comes in table of 8? In 7. So we will write 7 on the top. So 8 sevens are 56. And now what we will do? We will put minus sign. And after putting the minus sign, we will put one line here and the other line here. And now we will subtract. So 56 minus 56 equals to 0. Clear, children? So the answer is 7. What is the answer? 7. Okay. Now come to the next sum. Sum number 15. Okay. Now what is the question? 27 divided by 9. Now which number we have to divide? 27 by 9. So which table we will say? Table of 9 till 27 comes. Okay. So till 27 comes you will say the table of 9. So shall we start? Yes. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So children, where does 27 comes in table of 9? Threes are 9, threes are 27. So children, what we will write on top? 3. So 9, threes are, and here we will write 27. Okay, and now which sign we will put? Yes, minus sign. Okay, and then the next step is we will put lines. One line here and the other line here. And 27 minus 27, yes, 0. Okay, so when we minus the same numbers, it will always come 0. Okay, understood, children? Now next question. So it is number 16 is 45 divided by 9. Okay, so which number we have to divide? 45 by 9. Okay, so we will say the table of 9 till 45 comes. Clear? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So children, where does 45 comes in table of 9? 5s are 9, 5s are 45. Yes, so we will write 9 and on the top what we are going to write? 5. So 9 5s are, here we will write 45, and then which sign we will put? Minus sign. Okay, and after putting the minus sign we are going to put lines. Okay, and then we will minus. So 45 minus 45, what it will come? 0. Clear children? So whenever we minus the same number, like 45 minus 45, 20 minus 20, 2 minus 2, always it is 0. Clear children? So you are going to do it like this very neatly. Always remember children, when you are doing it in your books or in your rough copy or anywhere you are doing in your classwork copy, remember you will write the numbers below each other. Means 5 के नीचे 5 आना चाहिए, 4 के नीचे 4. Okay, 1 number के नीचे 1 number. Okay children? Yes, so like this you have to do the sum very neatly. Clear children? Children, what you will do, you will complete page number 84 in your maths book. Okay children, so you will complete page number 84 in your maths book very neatly. So take care and bye bye.